All right, traders, it's Wednesday morning. I'm heading out on a tour in about 30 minutes. So my entire trading session is going to be put into these 30 minutes. I feel kind of anxious coming in. It's because I'm positioned very short and have no long exposure at all. So if the market lifts, it could be bad. I like the way that I'm positioned. I mean, I think it's generally correct, but I notice I just feel better when I have longs and shorts at the same time. So, but I did cut my Solana long and my Bitcoin long with the idea the market's really greedy and a pullback to lower is likely. However, it could be wrong. I mean, a lot of the way that I'm trading is with this idea that I want to enter after a lot of open interest, leverage has been flushed out. But there's times where liquidity increases and open interest can steadily go up and up and up for months. So it's possible something like that could happen. And I'm trying to imagine what that might look like. And one way to be protected against it is just to have a lot of have hedges, but we'll just see where we are and do what I can with where we are. All looks good on Doge at the moment. So Bitcoin, okay, well, yo, I mean, I cannot be mad. BNB, Saga looks good. Arkham looks good. Ape looks good. Yeah, okay. So I'm up big. Everything's good. I do want to point out, and this isn't a complaint, but this is a note. Okay. Yeah, I'm up almost $2,000 from yesterday. Nothing's TP yet. This isn't a complaint, but I just want to point out that I had a limit right here on ETH to sell. Right here didn't fill, and then here didn't fill. When ETH, I've been seeing this a lot recently. When ETH dumps, it just doesn't give another chance. I had a limit here as well at the end of September that didn't fill, I think, and there's uh yeah, so I'm gonna delete this limit order now. Okay. But I mean, I had so much anyways, but this one was really good because it's a 2R, almost a 3R, and from here it had been like a many R. So I don't know how to get around that. But yes, if I was in any of these Bitcoin longs, I would be losing. I have this one down here, which I'm still okay with. Um, and then this one down here. I also have a BNB. Yeah, I had a BNB long right here, but I pulled it. So I want to be under a weekly. But let's go see what's going on. But actually, this is my biggest winning day of the month, I think. As of right now, no. Oh man, I'm gonna show you guys my P&L analysis, what this looks like. Let's get the reflection out of here. I've had 6 red days, and the account is up every other day this month. And this, I'm showing you how I'm doing it, and it's not really day trading, but I am thinking like just a day ahead. Okay, gold, silver, big red days on all the markets. Okay. Is there a reason why? DXY. Why is it? Treasury yields rise. Okay. So earnings. Okay. Okay. So I'm probably going to do nothing today because I'm not even going to go through the alts. Well, I might scan through them quickly. I assume that none of them hit any kind of a high, and I'm going to come back. Okay. Tomorrow afternoon. But on Bitcoin, yeah, I'm still looking for to at least take this wick, and then really this is a more interesting area. This is a more interesting area. Um, Not that we can't have a bottom, but I would want to and need to see a some fair value gaps come in. So we're seeing in 24 hours, ETH $64 million of longs. It's just not that much when you consider there's multiple billions of open interest coming in. So we're saying on Bitcoin, the market's still quite hot, which makes me think lower still. Okay, so let's quickly scan through the world of alts. Actually, Bitcoin dominance is up. ETH dominance straight down. So Solana, my Solana long would be fine. Actually, it wouldn't have moved. Solana's quite strong. I might actually want to reopen my Solana long around right around where it was because it's showing a lot of relative strength, and I wouldn't mind getting some long hedge going. And yeah, I could stay with this possibly. Doge, DYDX would have worked extremely. I mean, a lot of these would that I didn't take. Let's go through this again. But I mean, it was always like taking, well, Saga, Doge, Ape is just about hit TP. It's World where I'll close that. Pixel, just, yeah. Some of them are holding up better than others. A couple of the ones, but yeah, generally pretty red day. What was it? I think we were at, yeah, 14 something. One of the things I'm looking for, I know there's probably not going to be anything that hit a new high. Yeah, I don't have that much time, so I'm gonna move on quickly. I just want to see if anything's hitting the lows yet. And it's not, which makes me think we could go quite a bit lower. GMT, Pendle. This isn't a place that I'm interested in adding to my longs. I don't want to just sort of adjust my TPs. Uh, Pretty much red across the universe. Not sure I even saw green. Solana's like the strongest one though. Yeah, I like the idea of getting some hedges going. Ooh, green on that one. Saw like one Zeta, yeah, a couple greens. Oh no, it's the same one. Okay. Okay, so there's basically nothing to do but wait for lower. Okay, fine. CBD, trust, CBD, trust. Oh no, I want funding. Same here. I'm always doing that. Okay, so what I'm looking for is, um, yeah, I just want to see like what's happening, yo. This, okay, run Bitcoin, not ETH. Oops. I want BNB and I want Solana. And I'm gonna try to go into all of mine, but yeah, I need to get out of here soon. Hopefully traffic is clearing up, which will give me more time. Yeah, it's happening. Okay. BNB and Solana. Good. Okay. Okay, and then I want to look at my various other ones I'm in. Solana's just extremely strong. We haven't had any open interest coming out, and the funding's really hot, but we do see what? We see spot buying has supported it, and it could maybe avoid a liquidation, but still, there's a lot of longs, so I don't know. But I mean, it's possible that it could hold up. Okay, so let's look Bitcoin. I have the wrong one. Funding, aggregate funding rate. So, there's been, honestly, Bitcoin looks like it can go lower, right? Spot's kind of leading the sell. And honestly, not that much open interest has been cleaned out, which makes me not want to long it yet. I would honestly be, well, there's a huge sell-off on ETH, but ETH at least didn't even give up that much open interest. Honestly, not really good sign for longs. BNB funding at least went negative. Okay, I might throw the hedge long back on Solana. But the fact that I do kind of want to wait for like, yeah, we're too close to this. I think I'm, maybe. Say that as a maybe. Okay. Wow, Bitcoin is dumping right now. Probably better to just wait. Okay. Now let's go ahead and look at the other ones, the various ones that I'm in. I have one, two, three, four, five shorts. So I've got Pixel, Swagging. I'm showing you guys, I've uploaded every single session and I'm doing Good. You seeing I'm spending not more than an hour a day, some days 20 minutes. Pixel, Dogecoin, Saga, Arkham, and I forget what's the other one. Eight. Okay, so we're gonna go through these. Doesn't make sense to add. My instinct, my desire, emotional desire is to just start closing shorts and not opening longs, but just taking money off the table. But I can also just move my stop forward. Ape's almost there. So for ape, man, I feel like aiming lower on ape, looks nasty bad, honestly. Like CBD is absolutely sold this shit off. And it should be buying here, spot selling here. That's not what we're seeing. There's a lot of open interest to come out, actually. So I think I'm going to start with ape and maybe I'm going to consider having a further TP. Let me come back to that. Okay, now we have Pixel. Has lost a lot of open interest, but yeah, I can still come back. Can lose more. Doge. Oh, the funding's positive on all of these. Saga. I don't see why not. Arkham. Arkham's one that's been holding up better. The open interest hasn't come out yet. I kind of like just leaving them alone for the most part. Solana's showing like really good relative strength, and I still have a reason to be long, which is it's never closed under this. Doge, is there a world where I could aim lower? Like, I don't like it. So, I don't know if there's a world where like this is the bottom that we're at right now. Bitcoin is imminently pushing lower. Well, like getting close to TP on a number of these. I think I would actually extend on Arkham. I want some to get TP'd out and some to stay, right? 1.27. Um, I'm just going to, yeah, again, Ape. It would be interesting on Ape to actually aim lower. Say like this whole move could retrace. Get down here. 0.863. Is that unnecessarily greedy? Like, I don't see like I should close shorts. Zero, 863. Okay, things are recovering. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna do my Solana long. So how many ATRs? That's three. Um, Something like this. So it's gonna be a 15-point stop. This is a variation of MTP. Solana. And then that's gonna be it. I should maybe advance stops. How much it matters, but yeah. 0.1954 on Pixel. Like this 0.1882, 0.19. Okay. Ape. 0. 1.5 seems okay. I'm gonna leave that. Saga. It's this one. Here, 2.9275. 2.9275. For Saga, could I aim further? Maybe. I don't know that I want to, though. Oh, it's possible. 0.0439. Okay, so I'm going to take a Solana long. I'm very impressed by its strength, and it's been cruising as we've been getting in, as I've been waiting. So it's about 15 points from where my stop's gonna be. I'm gonna risk 1,000, so I'm gonna risk 30. I can risk at least 50 of them. My idea would be if price closes under here, I probably want to get out anyways. 152, my stop will be. Targeting 194. This one's looking really strong relative, and in the event that the market hits a low, 50, do another 15. Okay. And yeah, time to get out of here. So long MTP. All right, I gotta get going. Happy trading, y'all. Peace and much love.